funky, right? Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my bread. It's like a hustle sometimes. It makes you wonder how you stop from going under. It's like a hustle sometimes. It makes you wonder how you stop from all the struggle. Broken dreams everywhere. Gotta drop from 9 to 5. You accepted they bribe. Hanging from a jagged edge. Wishing you could get ahead. No fulfillment. Got you all feeling dead. Thought you'd be asking where the party at. Netflix and chill. Cause your pockets on flat. Caught up in the system. No freedom in sight. Wanna get out the country. Wanna go take a flight. Go see Tahiti. Act like Nefertiti. But your bills due. And you're feeling screwed. Thought the degree was the way out, but you're not in your field, so you have no clout. Upside down on your car in your house, thought that was the way. Now you're feeling left out. Got to upgrade your skills in this land of milk and honey, cause it's all about the money. Ain't a damn thing funny. So if you want up, way out today, see those comments, email me right away.